Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farhan bin Abdul Razak and my matric number is 2019333915. I am from class KBA 24958. For my individual assignment, I got the title The Fintech Initiatives Undertook in Islamic Financial System. This is for subject ISB 547 Islamic Banking and Financial Services. As for the introduction, what is fintech? Fintech is a topic in business sector in these recent years, even though the concept is an old thing. Fintech concept can be looked back in years 1866 when the first communication through transatlantic transmission cable occurred. The connection not only reduced the communication time but also facilitated the development of global telex and it improving the financial services which is known as Fintech 1.0 in the era. Fintech terms is derived from two different words which are fin is stand for financial and tech is technology. In easiest meaning, financial is the financial services and the technology is the digital technology, whereas fintech is the use of digital technology that come up with innovative products and services that going through modern gadgets. The example of product and services are mobile payment, online banking, big data, and overall financial management. The term of fintech can describe the group of new financial technologies designed to enhance and automate the use of financial services. Fintech can be defined as any innovative ideas that improve by proposing technology solutions according to different business situations and the ideas could lead to many new businesses. Generally, the development of fintech is closely related to the development of the technologies. As we move toward a smart city, the advance in technology is must. This is also applied for the technology in the finance sector. As has been proved previously, innovation is very important as it could help ease the flow of information, product or services. There are few key importance on why fintech is important. The first one is the price where the innovation goals are to reduce the cost and increase productivity. Automation system has helped banks to reduce the cost for physical presence and improve the speed of transaction. When banks have less cost to operate, they can also offer a loan at a lower interest rate. Next, is the increase in security. Security has becoming very important aspect in every financial institution. The innovation in fintech also increase the level of security of the customers. Before this, we usually use the 6-pin number to use our bank card, but now fintech has offer us to use the fingerprint as a biometric authorization which is more secure than the 6-pin number. Next, we move on to the effect of fintech in Malaysia. In Malaysia, the development of fintech has rapidly increased the evolution in technology productivity, such as online banking and electronic payments. In reaction to these latest technologies, contemporary developments and younger generations is evolving to the new technology applications with great market potential have held market share for the financial institution. Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad (BIMB) is the first financial institution in Malaysia that used short message services SMS banking to send short messages regarding the information of bank to their customers. However, in this modern era, SMS banking system has been used by almost all the commercial bank and financial institutions in Malaysia. Hong Leong Bank currently offers a service through an application that called Payment Express (PEX) to the customers. Payment Express allow customers to transfer their money simply by just entering their phone number rather than have to insert their banking information and password. Moreover, in this 2021 year, in Malaysia, cashless payments are increasingly popular when Alipay appears in Malaysia market with famous retailer. The famous retailer is 7-Eleven, where it becomes the first to acknowledge the cashless payment. Furthermore, CIMB banks also carry out Alipay mobile wallets beside Digi Telecommunications Sdn Berhad and Family Mart. Next, we move to example of fintech. I chose three examples of fintech. The first is mobile payments, second insurance, and third cryptocurrency. The first example is mobile payments, which Generation Z embrace as their primary payment method and use mobile apps to pay for everything. Because the global economy is rapidly transitioning from cash-based to digital transaction, mobile payments has emerged in the modern era. Apple Pay, PayPal, Touch and Go, e-wallet, and other are examples of mobile payment. Even the Shopee Pay. The second example that I chose is insurance, which is referred to as InsurTech in fintech. Its function includes data security, house insurance, and automobile insurance. Fintech innovation has a positive impact on the insurance industry by boosting efficiency, lowering costs, improving risk assessment, and providing a better client experience. The third example that I chose is cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, which aids in the speed and security of financial transactions. Coinbase, Robinhood, Cash App, Binance, and Gemini are examples of cryptocurrency platforms. Next, we move to the fintech initiatives taken by international Islamic financial institutions. The initiative in digital banking and capital market is the first step taken by multinational Islamic financial institutions. This program will replace the current system, which will save money on system maintenance and open up new revenue streams to compensate for the loss of revenue from traditional products and services. This reducing of the reducing of the expenses is because of the maintaining a system to meet the requirement has occurred a large expense in banking and it is affected the resources available. Fintech initiative taken by international Islamic financial institutions is further innovation in services and consolidation of payment area. The payment industry is concentrating on better technology and the centralization of account data. The goal is to enhance communication security and a strong customer authentication mechanism, and many Asian countries have embraced this approach. The next move is the implementation of open banking in the financial industry, which will help to expand financial services. It focuses on consumer experiences, the importance of the importance of sharing data and partnerships with fintech businesses, which has resulted in open data where standardized application program interface APIs allow one financial institution to speak with another. Next, fintech initiatives taken by Islamic financial institution in Malaysia. In Malaysia, Islamic fintech is used as an organizer for financial institutions. There are a few fintech initiatives taken by Islamic financial institutions in Malaysia, which are Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad introduced a partnership with People Pay in cashless push for the universities. Bank Muamalat collaborate with Alibaba Group to produce Alibaba Cloud, and Hon Leong Bank using the Payment Express (PEX) application. The first initiative that I discovered is by Islamic financial institution in Malaysia, Bank Islam Malaysia (BIMB), as they built a partnership with Keppel Pay in produce the cashless payment push for the universities, or also known as Keppel Uni. Keppel Pay is an e-wallet issuer that operates on cashless payment gateway for the business consumers, and it is approved by Bank Negara Malaysia. The second initiative that taken by the Islamic institution in Malaysia that I discovered is the collaboration between Bank Muamalat Malaysia Berhad and Alibaba Group, where they introduced Alibaba Cloud. Alibaba Cloud is the first local data center in Malaysia, where it was a tool to support and help enterprises in Malaysia to accelerate or boost the digital transformation. The third is Hon Leong Bank used the Payment Express (PEX) program in their system, which allows customers to transfer money by only putting their phone number rather than their full name and addresses. Customers' fund transfer transactions have become easier because to this solution. Okay, now the future of fintech. There are various factors that lead to the advancement of fintech in future, such as technological advancement, customers' behavior, greater access to the data, and investment in the industry. First, technical improvement have altered practically every aspect of daily life, with fintech companies relying heavily on technology such as blockchain and cloud computing. The next step is customer behavior, in which generation X, Y, and Z have altered past market structures to allow technology to enter their market. The third factor is improved data accessibility, which may be achieved through analytic, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. All this access data can help businesses spot and follow the trends. Finally, there is industry's investment, which has been quickly expanding. It was to ensure that fintech will continue to advance in the future. Fintech has created the new relationships with money by changing the way people think about money in the technological age. Instead of utilizing physical money, fintech now use digital money or cashless transaction. The payment can be made through customer smartphones and also smartwatch, which this is another example of the fintech advancement that have been ad- adopted nowadays. Many people have adapted with this kind of trend, which is good. Another advancement in the future is using the Amazon ideas, where they create a shopping account to use in the convenience stores. For example, the customer just grab what they need and leave the store, and the item will automatically charge to their Amazon account. For my conclusion, fintech is a technology that grows rapidly either in local or international. Financial technology or fintech are the solutions to a financial world where it reshaping with the financial sector operations and continue to demand the range of different jobs and as it to meet the requirement of customer satisfaction. Fintech has helped the financial institution to create more useful and easier application, and this application can make the life of the customer easier and more secure. It also helps customers to make a cashless payment through their mobile phone, such as Touch and Go and e-wallet, Boost, and many more. Using the financial technology, it can lead to financial institutions and businesses to follow the trend in markets and they can create many new ideas in business. Financial institutions also can reduce the cost and increase the productivity by using fintech, whereas reduce the cost of physical and improve the speed of transaction. That's all from me for the fintech. Thank you.